today the Goa State Consumer Protection Council meeting was held. It has been held after a big gap. The last meeting was in August 2023. So today a lot of issues which were pending were discussed today. First and foremost was the decision today to draft the rules for state of Goa under Consumer Protection Act, which is specific to Goa. So this resolution has been taken at today's meeting, which was very important because these rules will help the department to become more effective as far as consumer grievances are concerned. It will also help the consumer commission, that is what we call consumer courts, district and state level, to function better. So these rules to be drafted has been finalized today. Second major point which was discussed was also about what steps the department can take with regards to various grievances on adulterated products, fake goods, etc. So today again the decision was taken to have an integrated flying squad. That this flying squad will be involving the Civil Supplies Department, FDA, legal metrology, commercial taxes. So this is a very important step for the consumers, because when there is a integrated flying squad, then combined action can be taken. So today we have also we had the presence of Bureau of Indian Standards. So we have proposed that while the BIS should have a state office in Goa, we have also proposed that we should be brought under the western region of BIS. Right now what has happened, they have shifted Goa under the Hubli office, which is working in 19 districts. That is 17 districts of Karnataka and 2 districts of Goa. So we have highlighted today that we would like to be treated as a separate state, Goa state. And as you can see today, we have highlighted specifically the big problems today we are facing with the helmets which are going with a duplicate ISI mark. So this is a problem which can be solved by enforcement. So we have asked today specifically that a drive be conducted by Bureau of Indian Standards. Then we have also discussed today the issues of how to increase the awareness among the consumers. So there is going to be a proposal now to have major drives, to create awareness among the consumers, because many consumers are still not, what I would say, confident that new Consumer Protection Act of 2019 is actually benefiting the consumers. आज आमी पळयतात की ई-कॉमर्स म्हणजे जे आमकां ऑनलायन आमी परचेस करता, खुबशे वेबसायट आसा, तेजेर गिरायकाक डावट लागता की बाबा तेजेर आमी कंप्लेन करी जाल्यार एक्शन जातलें काय ना. सो आयज कावन्सिलान हो ठराव घेतलेलो आहा की बेगीचे बेगीन ह्या विशयाचेर मॅसीव अवेरनेस ड्रायव्ह करचे आनी जे डिपार्टमेंट इनवॉल्व जावपाक जाय त्या डिपार्टमेंटा बरोबर काम करून ते एक्शन फुडें जातलें. त्याच बरोबर आतां आमी एक इम्पॉर्टंट रेजोल्युशन घेतलां आयज की फूड सेफ्टी स्टँडर्ड्स ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया तेंच्यांनी एक डिसिजन घेतलें की ISI मार्क जे बाटलीचेर ISI मार्क आसता ती मॅन्डेटरी करचे न्हू म्हणून वॉलंटरी करचे. सो आज आमी एक रेजोल्युशन पास केलें that this ISI mark on packaged drinking water should be made mandatory. So the consumer can identify whether this bottle, drinking water, packaged drinking water bottle is genuine or not. हे सापडोवंक बरें पडटलें गिरायकाक. So that resolution also we have taken, and we are hopeful. Minister also has understood the issues that we have discussed today, and we are also hoping that at the earliest of district council asa chaired by respective collectors तेंचे वेगीचे वेगळी मिटींग जावन ह्या विशय आमी फुडें व्हरतले.
So they had already enforced the flying squad by...
No, flying squad was on a draft, everything has been done, but we wanted that formal resolution परत आज घेवपाचें की बेगीचे बेगी हे फ्लाइंग स्क्वॉड एक्शन एक्टिवेट जावपाक जाय. कितें आसा, इट इज अ इंटर डिपार्टमेंटल फ्लाइंग स्क्वॉड. तितून लिगल मेट्रोलॉजी आसा, सिव्हिल सप्लायज आसा, कमर्शियल टॅक्सीस आसा आनी FDA आसा. हे 4 डिपार्टमेंटाची इंटिग्रेटेड फ्लाइंग स्क्वॉड आसा म्हणजे एका जाग्यार गेले जाल्यार फॉर एग्जाम्पल तो बेकायदेशीर जेवण वाडटा, केटरिंग करता आनी त्याच बरोबर ताका समज डोमेस्टीक सिलिंडर वापरता. सो एक्शन कॅन बी टेकन बाय बोथ ऑर इज हॅविंग सम प्रॉडक्ट वीच इज ओवर चार्जिंग वा तेणें पॅकेटाचेर स्मजिंग केलें म्हणून एक रेड मारून
All three departments.
3-4 डिपार्टमेंट कॅन बी देर. तो बिल दिना और तो GST नंबर फेक GST नंबर घालता. सो हे गिरायकाक कितें जाता, द कन्ज्युमर इज डाउटफूल वेदर एक्शन वील बी टेकन बिकॉज ईच डिपार्टमेंट इज गोईंग सेपरेटली. सो इंटग्रेटेड फ्लायंग स्क्वॉडाचे आमी फाटले कावन्सिल मिटिंगान प्रपोज केलो. सो ते सगळे आतां फायनलायज जाल्लेले आहा. सो ओन्ली द वी अगेन टूक द रेजोल्युशन टुडे फॉर स्पिडी इम्प्लिमेंटेशन ऑफ दिस. आनी मेन विशय आज आमी ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टराक हायलायट केले की सिव्हिल सप्लाय डिपार्टमेंटाक वकेशन ऑर नोटीस दिला, जनरल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन डिपार्टमेंट विदीन 1 month यू हॅव टू लीव द जुंता हाऊस अँड गो. सो आज आमी चेअरमॅनाक रिक्वेस्ट केला की सिव्हिल सप्लाय डिपार्टमेंट आनी कन्ज्युमर कोर्टाक जर ते जुंता हाऊसान जर काडले जाल्यार बसपाचें खंय. सो हो विशयचे बेगीचे बेगी हँडल करचे आनी ऑल्टरनेट जागो डिपार्टमेंटाक आनी कन्ज्युमर कोर्टाक दिवचे म्हणून आमी आयज रिक्वेस्ट केला बिकॉज नोटीस हॅज बीन इशूड टू वेकेट बाय 31st.
So there is no alternate places given.
No, alternate place has not been was not finalized. No.
Finalized.
So आज आमी मिनिस्टर ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर कितें रिक्वेस्ट केला की हेजेर बेगीचे बेगी एक स्टेप्स घेवचे म्हणून. कित्याक ते वकेशन नोटीस कशें येयला, यू इफ यू डू नॉट मूव लीगल एक्शन वील बी टेकन अगेन्स्ट यू. सो सिव्हिल सप्लाय डिपार्टमेंट जागो आसचो ना फ्रॉम 31st April अँड सेम वे द कन्ज्युमर कोर्ट. सो ह्या दोनीचेर बेगीचे बेगी ऑल्टरनेट प्रिमायसीस सोदचे म्हणून, कितें नाजाल्यार गिरायकाक त्रास जावन पडटले मागीर. हो आमचो प्रपोजल आमी ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टराक मुखार घातलेलो.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.